Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. This is a straightforward process that you can easily complete at home in just a few minutes. Keeping your key fob battery fresh ensures consistent and reliable operation, so you never get locked out or have trouble starting your vehicle. Let's get started with the necessary tools. Before we begin, let's gather the few items you'll need. First, grab a new CR 2032 3-volt coin cell battery. These are widely available. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver, which will help you gently pry open the key fob casing without causing damage. Having these ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's open the key fob. First, press the small release button on the side or back and pull out the emergency key blade. Next, locate the small slot where the emergency key was removed or a similar notch on the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to separate the two halves of the casing. Once open, carefully pry out the old battery and insert the new CR 2032, ensuring the positive side faces up. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its compartment. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob, including lock, unlock, and panic, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.